Hello viewers. Actually, I have been using this Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 Smart Band for a couple of months and I have received 3 updates. Whenever I receive any update, I feel very happy because it brings new changes and also fix some bugs that was prevailing in the last update. This update will bring battery tile and also it will add a feature to display music list. You can now display and play up to 20 music lists on the display that has been added. I will show this how it happens or how it works. Also the daily activity target setting has been refined, and as per the notification the user will be notified with a vibration when the battery is low. Also you will get do not disturb notification, and it has fixed some bugs and also the stability has been improved on this smart band. Actually the update size is 19.27 MB. After every update, Samsung actually adds some watch faces that gives a new look to your Fitband. As it comes with an AMOLED display, the battery life of this Fitband 3 is actually excellent. I get a battery life of about 8 days, though I don't use it 24 hours. I use it 6 to 7 hours a day, and in that case I get 6 to 7 days or sometimes 8 days battery life with always on display on. Along with this Fitband 3 you will get the Samsung wearable app where you can get a lot of customizations options. Actually watch faces are available here. You can see that lot of watch faces are available to download. However, in the Fitband 3 you can store up to 10 watch faces at a time. If you want to add more, you have to delete the existing ones. As this is an AMOLED display, actually the black watch faces look better, but if you set white wallpaper or watch faces, in that case you can see the large bezels all around. One thing I like really on this Fitband 3, and that is the always on display. With every watch face you will get new always on display, so it will give a new look and fresh look to your Fitband 3. Now you can see that after the update you can store up to, or you can play up to 20 musics using your Fitband 3. You don't have to use your smartphone to play these songs, so this is a very cool feature. A lot of users were asking me about this feature, so yeah, this feature is now available on Fitband 3. You can control or you can play up to 20 music from this list, so this is a very good feature. I think I have been using this for a couple of months and I am very satisfied with this Fitband 3. The tracking and also the monitoring from the sensors, blood oxygen meter or BP are very good. So if you want to use this Fitband 3 or buy this Fitband 3 during Big Billion Day sale, wait for those sales and you can buy this Fitband 3 well under 3000 rupees. So that will be a very good deal if you get this to buy under 3000 rupees. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. I will keep posting videos like this in the future also. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.